and welcome to Lecture 4 of C Programming Language, offered by Undergrad Academy. In this video, we will start our first C program. Go to your DevC compiler, click on File, New, Source File. As the font size is too small, go to Tools, Editor Options, Fonts, increase the font size. Start writing our program by including the header files #include stdio.h and conio.h. Integer main void parenthesis write printf hello world and a semicolon at the end. Get ch return 0 and save it. Start by understanding our C program. This was our program. First of all, it includes these two header files. What are these header files? They have to be included in our C program. A header file is a file with extension .h, which contains C functions to be shared between several source files. There are two types of header files, one which the programmer writes himself and the other that comes already ready-made with your compiler. This main is a function. What is a function? A function is nothing but a container for a set of statements. The name of this function has to be main. It cannot be anything else. All the statements that belong to main function are enclosed within a pair of braces, these braces. Main function always returns an integer value, hence there is an integer before main. Now the next statement is printf hello world. Printf is a command which tells the compiler to print the statement on the screen. C does not contain any instruction to display output on the screen, so therefore this is the function which is stored in stdio.h header file and will tell the compiler to print the statement on the screen. Now the next command is getch. Getch is a function which tells the compiler to hold the executable of a file screen. Without this, your output screen will pop up for some seconds and you will not be able to see it. It is stored in conio.h header file. Now the last statement is return 0. Return 0 will return 0 value which indicates success. If for any reason the statements in main fail to do their intended work, we can return a non-zero number from main. This would indicate failure. Now let's compile this program. By clicking here, it will compile and run. And look, here hello world is printed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from Undergrad Academy. Also like the video and share it with your friends and comment your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.